Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Viber ringtone on Android, and it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Changing the ringtone for Viber on your Android device allows you to customize the sound you hear when you receive calls and messages on Viber. Here's how to do it. Firstly, open the Viber app on your Android device. Tap on the More icon, the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the Settings from the menu. Go to the Notification Sounds, and here, make sure to toggle on Allow Notifications, then set Alert. Now go to Sound, and here, a list of available ringtones will appear. Choose your preferred ringtone from the list. Now go back again. Now, after all of these, just go back to save the changes. You can send yourself a message or ask someone to call you on the Viber to test the new ringtone. By following these steps, you can easily change the ringtone. For Viber on your Android device, this customization allows you to personalize your Viber notifications to suit your preferences. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.